and during those slow periods is when you can really focus on other things for your business. This is my business card here. I did design it myself on Canva. You do get discounts when you work with a business Amazon account. Boundaries. Good morning, girl bosses. I'm up and out early in the morning. Well, not too early. It's like 9:25 or 10:25. I mean, and bro, wait. So I just tweaked. Hi, can I please have the cheese and fruit protein box?
Let me make sure that we have those.
Okay. $7.16 for cheese crackers is crazy. Anyway, good morning, girl bosses. I'm at Starbucks. I'm about to get me some quick breakfast before I go to my hair appointment. Stay. There we go. Good girl. So yeah, I do some cluck stuff sometimes, honestly. This morning I'm rushing. I feed my dog, pack my lunch, fill up my water bottle, get myself together. Why did I realize I was a whole 30 minutes early? Forgot my lunch, forgot my breakfast. So now I'm at Starbucks, so I ain't gotta be up in the hair shop hungry because I left out 30 minutes early thinking I was late. These glasses look a little weird on camera. These are my editing glasses. If you stare at a computer screen a lot, whether you work at a 9 to 5 and you just gotta be on a computer a lot, edit a lot, get you some glasses that block out UV rays. Anyway, welcome back to a new day. Today's agenda, literally after I finish getting my hair done, I'm gonna go right around the corner to my lash suite because it's literally like walking distance, and I'm gonna finish my hair because I'm just getting a treatment, wash, blow dry, and braid down so that I can put my wig that I got in my bag right here on. So yeah, after that I'm gonna head to my lash suite, finish off my hair, and film content for the whole day. I'm gonna be editing my Vlogmas videos, my sit down videos that I filmed, and just content for the rest of my social medias. Thank you so much. Oh, hold on. Oh, why am I always riding over a curb? Oh my gosh, are you serious? This whole road is closed and this is the road that you all closed. So how the heck? Anyway, oh, I have no gas. Why is always something? I made it to my hair appointment. Protein box. Oh, and it look real fresh too. Good, just how I like it. Usually like around the holiday time I experience surges and then slow days and then another surge and then slow days, and then after New Year is like a slower period. It's been slow this past week, and I'm assuming because the holidays are coming, usually that's how it is. I no longer get like worried or like, I don't know, oh my gosh, like real impulsive when slow periods come now, because I've been in business for a while now and I understand now that it's best to just ride the wave, and during those slow periods is when you can really focus on other things for your business that'll help it, like creating content, working on your marketing, working on your branding, focusing on another aspect of the business that you had to put to the wayside. So that's what I've been doing. I've been able to focus on my YouTube channel, post some more videos, so I'm grateful for that. Yeah, so it actually worked out today. Works out that today is slow. I want to do a double upload today. Apples, grapes, cheese crackers. If you have a business, you're going through a slow period, it's okay. Just use this time to work on other things or get ahead of the game for when it picks back up. What I've realized is more people have been transparent about their slow periods as well. I've been seeing a lot of posts on Instagram about people talking about their slow periods, just letting other business owners know that they're not alone. So yeah, even the established businesses that you think are just so busy 24/7, like books filled, go through slow periods. Their slow period could just look different. Like, say for instance, they could be used to, I don't know, 30 plus clients a day. I'm talking about people that have like storefronts. People like that could be used to like having 20 plus clients a day, and then a slow period comes, they're only seeing maybe about 7 to 10. Still a slow period for them. Still gotta pay for the overhead, still gotta pay their employees. So, you know, just trying to send some encouragement to any fellow girl bosses out there that need it. Oh, you all guys, guess what I'm going to see the official Renaissance film by Beyonce tonight at the movies. It came out last night. I'm going with me and a couple other of my friends. They're content creators too. We're gonna go to the dine-in theater downtown, and I'm so happy. I still love me some Beyonce. I still fangirl over Beyonce. Listen, yes, we're gonna go see that tonight at the dine-in theater. I think I took y'all with me to the dine-in theater that I'm talking about too before. It's called Icon, and they have a bar inside. They have 2 or 3 levels. And they have the really cozy seats that you could just lay back. I can't wait. We were talking about if we were gonna dress up or not, but when I go to the movies, even though it's Beyonce, I like to be cozy. So I'm gonna come in some cozy drip. I just know I'm gonna be cozy. My time to dress up was when I had went to the concert. That was enough. But yeah, anyway, of course I'm gonna take y'all with me tonight. I'm finna finish eating my little breakfast. I'm gonna see y'all later. PM.
Okay. You scheduled it yesterday. So what I believe about the purpose of it's easier to make a lot of money in a short period of time than it is to make a little money over a long period of time. That belief changed everything. When I realized that it's easier to make a lot of money in a short period of time than to make a little money over a long period of time, I decided in that moment for the rest of my life, I was no longer going to look at and I was no longer going to look for the hard ways to make a little bit of money. I'm only giving attention and intention to the easy ways to make a lot. My suitcase. I'm speaking at the conference the next day. Fortunately for me, when I travel, I always travel in a suit. So I had on a suit, but they lost my suitcase. Guess what my suitcase had in it?
We're back. I'm in my lash suite. Got me a fresh braid down. She washed my hair so good. Y'all look at the braid down in the back. She gave me a treatment too. I fell asleep in the chair. I did. My hair smells good. She straightened my weave out for me. I go to Royal Cultures in Illinois if you ever want to book with her. She greased my scalp so good too. I just get a braid down for my U-part wigs, but she does a whole bunch of stuff. She does braids, she does wigs, she sells good wigs. I got my candle going because I'm trying to create a nice, calm, relaxing vibe so that I can get some work done here. Y'all know what I said, we're gonna be editing all day. I'm finna put this wig on. I want to get my nails done today too, but I told myself I'm not going to get my nails done until I edit and upload 2 videos to YouTube. I want to get a video up by 3 o'clock, 3:30 at the latest. That might be pushing it. Anyway, I'm gonna come back with my hair all done and we're gonna continue on with the rest of our day. Wig is on. Thumbnail. Okay. All right. Literally just clipped it right in and we're good to go. One of the things I want to share is how it is when I do a mass restock. So right now I've run low on quite a few things. Micro swap brushes, mascara wands. I actually keep a list right here on my wall. So these are all the things that I need to order. Let me add to this list too. This is the list, and pretty much when I do a mass restock, I just get all of these things off of my business Amazon account. You do get discounts when you work with a business Amazon account, so I just set up one for my business, Lash Boulevard, and I buy all the things that I need with that. Then I also make sure to use my business credit card, because when I use my business credit card, I get cash back for how much I'm spending on it. Okay, so these are the things I have in my Amazon cart. This is actually like a mini restock, not a mass restock, because I realized I ordered a few of these things already, but what I have on here are flower glue rings. This tape is the truth. I first found out about this tape when VI Lash sent it to me, and literally I don't want to use any other tape besides this tape. This is from a different brand because I need it here soon and it'll be able to get to me very quickly, but VI Lash does sell this tape too if you're interested, or you can get this brand off of Amazon. I also got some more lash clusters for my clients, and I got some micro brush applicators as well as the micro cotton swabs. I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, there it is, mascara wands. So that is our order, and it comes to $40.42. Now I compared it to just ordering it off of my regular Amazon account, my personal one, and the price came to like $48 and something change or whatever. So having a business account is beneficial, and it'll actually tell you whenever you make your business account how much you're saving on certain items for your business. Place this order. Now I am about to go onto Canva and order some more business cards and loyalty cards. I have a Canva for my YouTube channel, and then I also have a Canva for Lash Boulevard. I started separating everything, y'all, and was this her telling me she want to hang out? It's so much easier separating business from personal and business from other business. It just makes everything more organized. But yeah, like I said, I'm about to order my loyalty cards and my business cards off of Canva. So this is my business card here. I did design it myself on Canva. This is the front, and then this is the back, and pretty much my loyalty card looks the exact same, except the front looks like this. Y'all can see it's in my cart. Oh, maybe too close. So the front looks like that there. How y'all just ordered it and didn't even ask me for my card information? Canva save your card information? I mean, I know they do, because I got it on auto pay every month, but even for separate orders made on Canva, they use my, okay, boundaries. Anyway, that is all I'm going to be pretty much recording of me talking up here, because I gotta get straight to editing, straight to work, no distractions. So watch me work. Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. You guys, it is 5:24. I'm just now getting done editing my YouTube video. I'm hungry. I want a meal. Low-key packed my lunch and I forgot it, so I could eat some of that, but I don't want to eat anything too heavy because I want to be able to still have an appetite for the movies. So I don't know. Anyway, y'all gonna come with me. I'm not in the vlog yet, so yeah, see y'all probably when I'm on my way out of here. So I was able to get my YouTube video up, and guess what time it is? Hold on. 6:13. I was able to get it up at 6:08. Oh my gosh, that's not bad. So I still got it up. Now I'm about to get up out of here. I told my girls to meet me at my place by 7:30. So I'm about to pack on up and we out. Titi! We going to see Beyonce. To go to the house over in the side. Are you ready? My concert. Oh my God. Beyonce, is that you? Beyonce, is that you? That she looks a mess. Period. We at the concert. We at the concert. There go Jasmine.
The whole ride here.
Look at Jasmine pretty Beyonce. I can't wait to see what everybody wearing. Hold
Girl,
on.
I got on basic Aniana.
You is not basic. Look at her looking like early 2000s Beyonce.
It's basic.
Goodbye. Good night.
Giving,
the hair and the sunglasses is everything. Period. It's giving too rich auntie. Don't talk to me.
Period.
I really feel like it's a Renaissance concert all over again. Like for real.
Yo, look, I really got on.
Jasmine, say hey.
Hey, what's up?
We got Kyrie, we got T. Now y'all can see. Look at everybody's outfits. Yes, drip from head to toe. Boom. Spice Girl. Boom. It's giving grown and sexy. Period. You see how it's like we got our Renaissance cups here. Got some drink coming. Yeah. What'd he say? What'd he just say?
Don't touch it yet, please. You stressed out.
Heels.
You sick of Beyonce? YouTube is life.
And with those,
I begin to love.
I'm a train wreck in the morning. Your turn. Sing. Dead ass. I'm dead ass. Broke down, bounce back. Been off, been on. What you know about that? Then that can't be energy. Look around, everybody else you. All my independent women, when you ran, cut it. Pull my wrist out. I feel black. Baby, that's the reason why they always mad. Yeah, I'm a savage. Too nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match. Repeat all night. All night. All night. Me and my club bang gon' slide tonight. Call a paparazzi, ain't got clips to hide tonight. Cash out the change. Call
that Beyonce film, amazing. That film had me pumped. I literally came home and started cleaning the house. What? It was a very inspiring film, and a few people have said that after seeing the film, it's just very inspiring. Literally, I want to work. I'm ready to get to work. And my friends who I went with, they said the same thing. Plus, shout out to them. I'm so happy they went with me. They made the experience even better. Just like dancing. I saw them dancing on the side of me to the film, and it was just great vibes. But yeah, anyway, like I was saying, I'm about to head up to the Lash suite. I have a full day today. I'll be up there all day. I think my last client comes at like, I want to say 4. Let me see. I just wanted to come and end this vlog today out so that I can start the next one. Anyway, thank you all for tuning in into today's Vlogmas. I really enjoyed filming. Now we're gonna finish getting ready and continue filming Vlogmas for tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Girl Boss Tribe, because we're a total vibe over here. And turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat. And I'll see you in my next video.